What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chris Pina. I'm back with another video. And first and foremost, like I start every video, I want to thank everybody who subscribed and likes all my videos. All right, and those in the Discord. All right, right now the Discord is on fire. All right, it's a free chat. All right, I don't even think it's mine at this point. I believe it's yours completely. It's pretty dope. A lot of motivation in there. Everybody is like a like-minded individual, and the only thing they want is to go ahead and find success, whether that's with drop shipping, Shopify, credit building, Forex, just like as a whole. I feel like it's really coming together greatly. All right, so as well as I always do giveaways. All right, next video I'm gonna go ahead and choose somebody. So go ahead and join the Discord. All right, I'm actually gonna be announcing the giveaway inside the Discord chat this time around, only because right now it's on fire. We just grew over 200 users in the last month or so. So it's blowing up. All right, and as you guys know, all right, the signal indicator is out, guys. Okay, so in this video I actually wanted to go over a quick little, this is going to be a quick video of exactly how I find my Forex setups. Okay, and pretty much, this goes with Forex or any type of pairs. All right, and I'm going to show you exactly how I find my sniper entries. All right, so it's very, very simple. Let me go ahead and jump directly into the computer. All right, boom, boom. Alrighty, guys. So as you guys can see here, I am a support and resistance trader. I always say that, guys, and it's because it's the most simplest form of finding out price action, and where you're gonna get respect, and where you should put your entries and exits. Okay, guys. So that's why I definitely recommend you guys get on board with that. All right, now it's just an added confirmation. Okay, now when you're taking these signals from the signal indicator, okay, it's very important that you use at least 3 confirmations. Okay, whether that confirmation is looking at the daily, looking at the higher time frames to get an idea of where the price is going, whether that's using moving averages, whether that's using RSI, which is actually built in with our indicator as well. We have a divergence oscillator as well. Pretty much, if let's see here, let's go to the divergence oscillator. All right, you want to go ahead and have as many confirmations as possible. Okay, so basically what I like to use is the RSI, preferably, which is going to tell you the relative strength index. Okay, and what I like to do is I like to actually set mine. I always say this, in my videos, I like to set this to 20. All right, which changes that purple zone. All right, I go to RSI and I switch it to 20. All right, and I go okay, boom. So now anytime that it comes out of this purple zone, that's when I will be looking for my entrances. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this right here, okay, now this is another thing. Okay, now how I use this signal indicator is a lot different than anybody else. Okay, and the reason being is because I try to actually predict what the system indicator is going to do first. Okay, a lot of people ask me, how do I, you know how am I so profitable using this? Okay, number one is support and resistance. So as you guys can see here, this is the live support and resistance within trusted signals. All right, and it's gonna give you live support and resistance at key levels. Okay, so I'm only trading key levels. All right, and when I'm finding my entrance, okay, I would look for some areas of respect. Okay, and I would just enter the trade. Now I would usually like to use tight stop losses, all right, or trailing stops to go ahead and just limit my losses. So that's the number one thing that I always push. But another thing is okay, is you want to go ahead and take risk. All right, now when you're looking for sniper entries, what a sniper entry is basically entering on the wicks. Okay, now I post pictures in my Discord chat of me always hitting sniper entries, because when you hit a sniper entry, that's like the best. You're in no drawdown. Okay, the market just like leaves your area, so you can literally move your stops to break even quickly. So I always try to do that. Now when you're looking for these type of setups, it's risk. Okay, it's definitely risky. It's more risky because what you're trying to do is you're trying to go ahead and catch a trade before it technically even happens. Okay, so for example, even here, all right, let's go ahead and close this. Right, there's a few instances where I would have looked to go ahead and enter. All right. Now, what I mean by high risk, okay, for example, this is in a sell, right? This is a perfect example here. There's a sell down, all right. There's a little bit of respect, all right. Now, there's a buy, all right. There's another sell, okay. Now this sell is coming at a time where it's actually breaking through, okay, as you guys can see here, it's breaking through the previous support, all right. So basically what I would go ahead and do, all right, is try to get in once it breaks the support. Now, remember, the signal is telling you to sell. So realistically, you should stay in a sell until it tells you buy, unless you're trying to do what I like to do, which is try to find a sniper entry and just try to predict where the market is going to go, okay? So what I like to do is I try to go ahead and find it when it's breaking out through the actual support or resistance, okay? For example, right here, this would have another been another great entry, okay? Because of the simple fact is you are currently breaking through a previous resistance, all right. So now you're breaking through a previous resistance, okay. As you can see here, is breaking through a previous resistance. You're in a constant buy from down here. So most likely when you're reaching right here, you're already getting overbought, okay. So as soon as you start reaching this specific resistance and you see that it's at the top of the RSI, all right, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put a sell, all right. You're gonna put a sell right here. You're not gonna even worry about the sell signal, okay. That is how you find a sniper entry. Then boom, as soon as now the signal indicator gives you a confirmation of the sell, now you know, okay, this is something that I'm gonna hold, all right. And remember, if it continues to go up, quick stop losses, okay, quick stop. You don't want to go ahead and just get out of there. But as you guys can see here, even on this point, when you're overbought, in order for it to keep on going up, it has to go ahead and balance out. So even when you're purchasing at an overbought area, okay, it's going to give you the benefit of the trade. So you're putting a trade in your favor because you're having multiple things line up. All right. And you're able to do this and actually catch the sell before the signal actually even comes out. All right, guys. So perfect example here. This is a live market. This is live right now. This is a 15-minute US 30. All right. Boom, look where we are in the RSI. All right, we're reaching high levels. You know, we're reaching also a previous support area, correct? All right, so basically right now we just broke out of this support. Now there's no sell signal here, but you can see that there's a little bit of weakness, okay? And we're reaching also an overbought area. So what I would go ahead and do, okay, you can potentially wait for it to be a little bit more overbought and then just hop into a sell with or without a sell signal. All right, with or without the sell signal on the actual chart. All right, the reason being is because you want to kind of get ahead of the signal indicator, and then what I like to do is as soon as I get into profit, move to break even, and then let my trade play out. Okay, and try to hold a scalp and hold that until a swing position. All right, guys. So remember, you want to go ahead and use this indicator smartly. And as long as you use it smartly, this is going to be a very, very profitable thing for you guys. All right. And pretty much that's all for this video. I just wanted to show you guys exactly my take on what I do and the reason why I'm able to actually use this to become profitable. Okay. You cannot just hop in on every sell. And then if you want those sniper entries, higher risk, higher reward. All right. You're going to go ahead and try to get these entries on these wicks. Boom. You break the support, came down, you entered before a buy signal. Then it started coming up. Boom, buy signal. You know you're good money. And you're already well into profit. Okay? Same thing. You're breaking a previous resistance. Boom. Hop in around here. Boom. Take a little risk. All right? Second candle opens up a little bit lower. You hop in on this candle. Then 2 candles later. Boom. Confirmation. Ride it all the way down. Profits. Okay? So be smart, guys. Be patient. Let it come to you. RSI, divergence oscillator, trusted signals, link in the description. All right, and I'm gonna be dropping a whole mess of gems. All right, go ahead and get it now. I know that there are experience high volume. There's a lot of users. All right, Discord is opening up, affiliate program is opening up. Join while you have a chance. All right, and New Year's. Okay, New Year's is where we're pushing for a lot of dope things. Okay, guys. So I'm trying to get you guys ready for 2021. Okay, guys. Like me personally. All right, right now I'm focusing a lot more on my real estate career. Because it's the end of the quarter And right now we're about to start, tax season and a whole mess of things. So it's crucial that we focus on what's gonna happen this year. All right, start focusing and planning on this summer. Start focusing on what you're gonna do spring. All right, guys, get ahead of the market. Get trusted signals. Message me. Join the Discord. Message others. There's a lot of people who are just trying to help people. Okay, guys. So until the next video. All right, I am out. Peace.